Hi, and welcome to The Hub, the front door to Central Virginia's business ecosystem. There are a lot of fragmented websites and resources out there for news, jobs, funding, and networking. The Hub is the region's single go-to resource to connect the tech, startup, and business community to the people and things that matter most to you and your business. First, let's check out the job board. On the Hub, you can search for jobs by job type, for example, full or part-time, title, job function, county, keyword, company name, and even by benefits and salary ranges. And registered users on the Hub can add job postings anytime at no cost. Now, let's take a look at the business directory. On the Hub, you can search the business directory by type of business, products and services, industry and technology, and location. From one central online location, you can see which businesses are open or closed, those that are hiring or expanding, and any other information you may be seeking. Looking for an accountant who specializes in taxes for small businesses, or an attorney who has unique insight into a startup's needs? You can quickly and easily find this kind of information and more on the Hub. Simply become a registered user to list your business at no cost. Next, let's check out the resource page, which offers a bird's eye view of everything available in the Charlottesville and Region 9 areas, from funding sources to business competitions to accelerator programs, technical assistance, fellowship opportunities, and workspaces. The Hub's resource platform is truly designed to accommodate everyone. You can search by resource type for things like funding, showcases, or technical assistance, by stage of business, such as startup or mature, by audience focus for businesses that are female, Black, or veteran founded, youth or senior focused, and more, or even specifically by any of the 10 counties included in Region 9. Whatever your search, the Hub's resource page has you covered, all at no cost. Need a reliable source for tech news specific to our region or beyond? We have you covered on the news page. The Hub's news page is updated daily, so you will find the most relevant, hand-picked stories to help you stay up to date on the latest news, trends, business advice, and insight. Love a story you found on the Hub? Share it easily among your social network with just a couple clicks. The Hub is dedicated to helping Central Virginia connect talent, resources, businesses, and organizations to one another. Join us on the Hub, your go-to resource to meet, connect, and collaborate.